welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Holly and I have a new box for you. Of course I do. I love bringing you new boxes. I mean, after all, that's pretty much what I do here on my channel. I love bringing you new and fresh boxes, and I scour the internet looking for them so that I can bring them to you because, well, I love seeing what's new out there. And I just so happened to found a new box called Bohemia box. And here it is. Now this box is from Rayo Company that features a new pair of funky handmade earrings, a bracelet, or a necklace that are inspired by materials, colors, or sounds of the tropics. All the items in this box are made in New Hampshire, and Bohemia Box believes in supporting the planet and increasing their sustainability with every box that they send. Now, this company is woman owned. They do boho style jewelry and boho style jewelry, and they use only natural materials. So I have a surprise for you. I have a code, ladies, and it is a code that will last you for the lifetime of your subscription. So you will get 20% off of your subscription for the entirety of your subscription with this company. So if you sign up for a subscription with Bohemia Box, you will get 20% off of your box every month that you pay for your box. And the cost of this box every month is $20. So that is a great deal. So if you are interested in this wonderful little box, after I open it and show you what I received, I'll leave the link down below and you can click on it and you know the deal. Head on over there to Create Joy or whatever link I put down there. Click it and get on over there and get yourself one of these boxes. 20% off the box every month for the lifetime of your subscription. That's a good deal. And that 20% off code even goes for any purchase that you make on their website too. So if you want to just go buy yourself a pair of earrings or a necklace or a bracelet, you can use the code towards your one-time purchase too. So that is a good deal as well. So let me know in the comments if you are really seriously thinking about using that code or grabbing yourself one of these boxes. I'd love to know. So now let's get into my box because I am curious to see what I have in this box. So this is what the box looks like. This is not how it came to my doorstep. It came wrapped in this brown paper here. That's how it came. But I just unwrapped it for video purposes because I liked this. It looked more beautiful. So we're going to open this and we're going to get into this video because I don't want to keep you, too long. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Go. Uh-oh. Oops. Something fell down. We're going to stick that. Oh, something. There we go. We're just going to stick it back up there. Now, where did you go? All right. I think you went there. It became unsticky. All right. So here's what it looks like when you open it. I'm going to flip this up so we can see. There we go. Get over there. All right, so that is what it looks like when we open it. And it says Bohemia box, a jewelry subscription box by Rayo Supply Company LLC, box number 1. This is a brand new baby box. Brand new. Box number 1, fancy feathers. Oh boy. Pheasant, guinea fowl, chicken, velveteen ribbon, amethyst chips, dangling earrings, cleansed with sage, leave the farm and go dance with a little amethyst balancing of your crown chakra. Okay, here's the reveal. I can see a little bit of them right there. So here we go, ladies. I'm scared to look. Oh boy. Those are quite the earrings. I'm afraid they're going to get tangled in my hair. They are really pretty though. I do like the earthy vibe of them though. Oh my goodness gracious, what does this thing say? Purchase with a purpose. We pay all of our employees at least $15 an hour. Oh my goodness. We use natural materials and as little plastic as possible. We upcycle materials, including packaging. Okay. As often as possible, except when to do so affects the integrity of the product. Thank you for supporting businesses that support the planet and its people. Additionally, here's 15% off any purchase in our company Etsy store, Rayo Supply Company.etsy.com, and the code is Let's Go. Well, that's very nice. You're welcome to share this code with friends, and the code is Let's Go. And there is that. Cool. All right, I'm going to take these out of the box. And that is what is in the box. The only thing that is in the box are these. And here they are. Now I'm hoping that I am doing them some justice here. I'm trying to, let me see if I can do it this way. Let's see, get on the paper. There, maybe that's better. How about that? These are real feathers. These are not, I don't know if I would wear them. They're beautiful feathers. They are very beautiful. But I don't know if as I would wear them because they are very pretty. I do love them. They're very pretty. I don't think that they're ugly, but I just don't know. I am going to try them on. I seriously am going to try these on. I think that they are very pretty. But I don't know as I would wear them because they're so pretty. I would be afraid that they would get caught in I have very long hair, so I would be so afraid to get them caught in my hair. But I'm going to try them on right now. Let's see if I can get them in my ears. My ears have a tendency to do what they want to do, like they're the boss or something. They just want to be the boss or something, I don't know. They think they're the boss anyway. They're not the boss today because these earrings are going in my ears. See, I'm the boss right now. There we go, I got one in. Oh my goodness gracious. Good goodness almighty. What in the... I'm gonna pull my hair back and see. Now this ear is trying to act like it's trying to tell me what to do. Come on, you stinking thing. Get in the hole. There. Okay. Those are some long earrings. Wow. They're pretty long, right? Holy guacamole. They are funky. What do y'all think? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, well, I guess they're kind of long. But, I mean, they're cool and they're funky. So, if you would like to get your own Bohemia box, and you'll never believe what I have in my hair, holding my hair up. I have one of these in my hair. Yes, I know I'm crazy. I don't know. I don't have any clips. But anyway, if you'd like to get your own Bohemia box, I will, like I said, leave the link below, and the code will be right here if you would like to get 20% off your box for the subscription life of your box. I certainly think it is a great deal, and if you enjoy seeing these new subscriptions, it is now 3:30 in the morning, by the way. What am I doing up at 3:30 in the morning? Making videos for you guys. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, if you enjoy seeing new subscription boxes and being the first one to get these beautiful subscription boxes, then certainly hit the subscribe button so that you can see all of my new and just crazy videos. Hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget how much I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll see you in my next video real soon. All right, y'all.